Hey, it's Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote YouTube videos to maximize views. Plus, make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to reveal the fastest strategy for monetizing your YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be sure you don't miss out on more videos just like this. Alright, so today we're going to take a look at the top 3 tips to promote your videos for maximum video views. Now, first and foremost, before you even create a video for your channel, you want to make sure that you basically know who your audience is. And what I mean by this is that you really need to understand what your audience wants and then produce content based around what that is. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to ensure that your videos get the most views and the most engagement naturally, which is what YouTube really loves to see. Now, the best way to do this is by looking at what your competitors are doing. And you want to check to see what content they're putting out and what's getting the most engagement. And the way that you do that is by basically filtering out to see what their most popular videos are. So for example, if we were in, let's say, the health niche, I'm just using this as an example. It's a pretty popular channel. It's got 658,000 subscribers. So what you want to do is you want to go to their channel and you see this little filter here and you want to sort by most popular. And so what this does is it really tells you what people are reacting to, what people like, what people are watching. And what you want to do is you want to go in and you want to see, obviously the more recent and the larger amount of views that you're getting, that's better because it's more, it shows that it's trending now. But some of this stuff is evergreen. So, but then what you do is you get ideas. You don't want to copy exactly, but you want to basically create similar content around the topics that they're doing and basically create content that way. So this will guide you in terms of what types of videos you should be creating and what your audience is most engaged with depending on your specific niche. Now, number 2 is that you want to optimize for SEO. Now, I'm sure you know by now that YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google, but did you know that videos now appear in 70% of the top 100 search result listings? Well, it's true. Now, if you type in any product or how-to type searches, you're going to get a video in the search results. For example, if we go over to Google and we type in the key phrase best camera, these are the results that are going to come up. Now, what Google is starting to do, and they show up differently all the time, but they're starting to show videos. Sometimes they're lower, other times they're right closer to the top. But the point is that they are now starting to show videos, and because people love videos, they're engaged in videos. Let me do another example. So let's say how to create a website, for example. Same thing. As you can see here, the videos are showing much closer to the top, and that's just Google. So as you can see, people are going to find you in Google as well as YouTube. So you want to make sure that you're following some of the best practice for doing YouTube SEO. Now, let me talk to you about a couple of things that you need to be doing for YouTube SEO. The first thing is keyword research. And you want to make sure you're creating videos based around highly searched terms. Okay. The next thing are titles and description. Okay, in your YouTube videos, you want to make sure you include these keywords that you've researched and you put them in your titles and description. But you never ever want to keyword stuff. You don't want to just put keywords in for the sake of having them. You want to make sure they make sense in your video and in your titles and in your description. Now, one key tip is make sure to mention your keyword in your video, especially at the beginning if possible. So if you're doing a spoken video, that's what I'm referring to. So go ahead and mention that video if you're speaking to the camera or it's just a voiceover. The next thing is engagement. You want to make sure to ask your viewers to engage with your videos. Just like I did at the beginning of this video, you want to ask them to subscribe, You want to ask them to like and comment on your video. Next is playlists. You should create different playlists to help organize your channel. Google loves this as part of their algorithm, and it really helps to rank your videos better. Next is tags. Now, adding tags helps YouTube know exactly what your video is about. So you want to add as many tags as you can as long as it relates to your video. Again, just like keyword stuffing, you don't want to do that. You want to only add tags when they make sense. All right, so that takes us to tip number 3, which is, if you can, you want to run a paid YouTube campaign. Now, paid advertising obviously is always an option for getting more exposure, but it's not for everyone because obviously it costs money, and if you're just starting out, well, it's just not an option. Now, I'm going to tell you about a better option that's a free option in just a moment, but for now, let's go over some of the options that you have if you want to run a YouTube ad campaign. Now, the first one is display ads. Now, these are only available on desktop, and they show up on the right-hand sidebar of your videos. All right, next is overlay ads. Now, these are ads, they're semi-transparent ads that show at the bottom part of a video. These also are only available on a desktop. The next type of video is bumper ads. Now, these ads are ads that basically the viewer cannot skip these ads. They have to actually watch the whole entire video, but they're very short ads. They have a maximum of 6 seconds. Now, this method can definitely help you maximize views if you have the budget, but it's only feasible if you have a marketing budget. Now, I know most people don't have money to put into ads, especially as I mentioned, if you're just starting out. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about a free training that I believe is the fastest, most cost-effective way to monetize your channel. So why do I say that? Well, for most people trying to promote their YouTube channel, the challenge is that it takes so long to monetize the channel with YouTube's partner program, because you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now, that's not so easy to do, and it does take a little bit, well, it takes quite a while. Now, with this strategy, you can forget about that because you don't need 4,000 watch hours. You don't need 1,000 subscribers, because this strategy will show you how to get your videos ranking on top of Google and YouTube, and you do it by driving free traffic, free organic traffic from your videos. So this means that you can make money much faster by promoting, instead of earning through their monetization revenue through ads, through Google Partner Program. You're going to be making money by promoting affiliate products, or if you're selling physical products, or any product or service that you want to drive traffic to. So if you want to learn more about the strategy, there's a link below in the description. It's a training by one of my mentors, and his name is Paul Murphy. Now, he's cracked the code for getting your videos in front of red hot buyers. Now, the link, when you click on the link below, is going to take you to this page here. It's pretty straightforward, okay? You're going to see this page here. This actually is hosted by Mike Filsaime. He's one of the pioneers of internet marketing, and he basically came across Paul because Paul was promoting, using this system, one of Mike Filsaime's products, and he was amazed to see how many sales that he was bringing in. So he had to contact him, and that's basically how this training came about. Now, I'm using this training myself, and I've already hit my first $1,000 day, which I'm so excited about, and that's why I'm so excited to share this with you, because I know that it works. So click the link below and sign up for the free training. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me out a lot. I do appreciate it. But make sure you hit the notify bell so you can be alerted of my latest videos that I have coming out on a regular basis. So click the link below, get your free training. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.